After hearing these 13 Stoic principles, your perspective on life is bound to change, allowing you to see the world through a new lens. I won't take up too much of your time, so let's dive right into the video. But please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy watching. Engage in daily reflection. A useful technique for improving self-awareness and personal development is daily self-reflection. You can gain valuable insights into your behavior and mindset by reflecting on your thoughts and actions for a short period of time each day. Begin by reflecting on your day to see what went well and what needs work. This easy exercise assists you in seeing trends and making deliberate decisions going forward. Consider keeping a journal to document your ideas and development over time in order to enhance your reflection. Not only does writing down your reflections help you to retain your understanding, but it also acts as a motivating journal of your journey. You give yourself the ability to develop, adjust, and ultimately improve your life in significant ways by making a daily reflection commitment. Accept uncomfort. Venturing beyond your comfort zone is crucial for resilience and personal development. Start by figuring out what kinds of situations give you trouble: public speaking, taking up a new pastime, or having tough conversations, for example. Although taking on these obstacles head-on can be frightening, it's crucial to realize that discomfort is frequently a sign of progress. By pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone, you develop resilience and self-assurance. Regularly practice small acts of discomfort to facilitate this process. This could be as easy as asking a stranger to talk to you or finding a different way to get to work. These little actions will eventually help you increase your pain threshold, which will make taking on more difficult tasks simpler. Accepting discomfort enhances your life and creates doors for novel experiences and opportunities. Make inner peace a priority. A balanced and meaningful life requires the cultivation of inner tranquility. Adding mindfulness exercises to your daily routine is one practical way to accomplish this. Stress reduction and mental centering are achieved with the aid of techniques like deep breathing and meditation. Limiting your exposure to distractions and negativity in your surroundings is also very important. This could be limiting who you follow on social media or putting boundaries in place with people who constantly drain your energy. Lastly, pay attention to what matters most to you, whether it's your relationships, your aspirations, or your own well-being. Setting these things in order of importance will help you stay calm in the face of chaos in life. Recall that achieving inner peace is a continuous journey rather than a destination, and following these steps will help you on your way to a more contented and peaceful life. Exercise gratitude. Developing an attitude of gratitude can greatly improve your perspective on life. Keeping a gratitude notebook, where you record all the little things you are grateful for every day, is a useful place to start. This small action promotes a more optimistic outlook by helping you refocus your attention from what you lack to what you have. Furthermore, showing gratitude to others can improve relationships and foster a positive atmosphere. Expressing gratitude through a simple verbal acknowledgement or a heartfelt thank you note can strengthen bonds. Finally, never forget to view obstacles as chances for development and education. Consider the lessons that come from setbacks rather than seeing them negatively. These are some methods to embrace gratitude so that you can improve your everyday life and develop a more positive outlook. Seek knowledge, not credibility. In a world where people are constantly looking for approval from others, it is imperative to put one's own development ahead of other people's approval. Put your attention on education and personal development because these activities bring true happiness and a better knowledge of who you are. Be in the company of knowledgeable people and mentors who push your thinking and encourage you to think critically. You can steer your path toward wisdom rather than conformity with their assistance. Furthermore, don't be afraid to question cultural norms that place an emphasis on popularity over intelligence. Accept the notion that genuine success originates internally, not from other people's perceptions. You give yourself the ability to make decisions that are consistent with your values and goals by reorienting your attention toward wisdom and personal growth. This will ultimately result in a more fulfilling and genuine life. Give up on things you can't manage. It's essential to accept circumstances beyond your control if you want to keep your mental and emotional health. Begin by distinguishing between the facets of life that you have control over, like your decisions and reactions, and those that you do not, like the opinions of others or unforeseen circumstances. You can direct your energy where it really counts with the help of this awareness. Acceptance meditation can help you let go of the need to control every outcome and greatly reduce stress and anxiety. Put your energy toward things you can control, like developing your talents or setting goals for yourself, rather than worrying about the things you can't change. Adopting this way of thinking gives you the ability to deal with life's uncertainties gracefully and resiliently, which will eventually result in a more contented and balanced life. Recognize impermanence. Accepting life as temporary is crucial to one's development and happiness. Commence by considering how ephemeral experiences and feelings are, from happiness to sadness, they all pass. This knowledge can encourage you to savor each experience as it arises and help you develop a deeper appreciation for the present. Consider what you can enjoy now rather than holding on to the past or worrying about the future. Make the idea of impermanence your inspiration to live life to the fullest and most genuine. Realize that life is made up of moments, and that every one of them offers the chance to express who you are and build relationships with people. You give yourself the ability to welcome change, cultivate resilience, and design a life full of meaning and purpose when you accept impermanence. Remain steadfast in reality. Keeping a realistic outlook on life is essential for forming wise decisions and nurturing wholesome relationships. Begin by resisting the urge to romanticize circumstances or individuals. Instead, make an effort to perceive them as they actually are. You are able to appreciate life's complexities and avoid letting unrealistic expectations get in the way thanks to this candid assessment. By asking yourself questions that go against your preconceptions and prejudices, you can use critical thinking to assess situations objectively. This method helps you understand more and gives you the ability to reply with consideration. Engage with a variety of information sources to further maintain your awareness of the world around you and to stay informed. Grounding yourself in reality helps you develop resilience and adaptability, which in turn helps you navigate life's obstacles with confidence and clarity while promoting a more genuine connection with others and yourself. Maintain uniformity in your behavior. Reaching your objectives and reaching your full potential require consistency. Establish attainable objectives first, then develop a thorough strategy to achieve them. This roadmap will direct your activities and help you stay goal-focused. Next, create daily routines that complement your objectives and are consistent with your values. These routines lay the groundwork for advancement, whether they are related to learning, working out, or personal growth. Hold yourself responsible if you want to stay consistent. This could be using applications that remind you of your obligations, keeping track of your progress, or sharing your objectives with a friend. You gain resilience and discipline in addition to momentum when you behave consistently. These tiny, persistent efforts will eventually pay off in the form of major accomplishments and a greater sense of journey fulfillment. Develop your patience. A crucial quality on the path to personal growth is patience. Mindfulness is the first step towards developing a patient mindset. By practicing mindfulness and appreciating each moment, you can gain a better understanding of who you are and what you've been through. Understand that real change takes time and effort to bring about. Progress cannot be made quickly. Accept the notion that every action, no matter how tiny, advances you toward your goal. Refrain from hastening through experiences. Instead, enjoy the trip and take something away from each stage. You can build a stronger sense of fulfillment and resilience by learning to appreciate the process. Recall that patience is about keeping a positive outlook while working toward your objectives, which will ultimately result in long-lasting personal growth and transformation. Patience is not about waiting. Put humility into practice. Humility is a virtue that is necessary for both personal development and deep relationships. Recognize your limitations and keep an open mind to what you can learn from others. Acknowledging your ignorance about the world encourages curiosity and personal development. Respect the contributions of people around you as well. They all have special experiences and insights that can broaden your viewpoint. Express gratitude for their work by saying thank you or by paying attention to what they have to say. Remind yourself that a lot of your accomplishments come from teamwork and encouragement from others to avoid being conceited. Being grateful for your accomplishments keeps you grounded and fosters a sense of belonging. You can make room in your life for more genuine relationships, ongoing education, and self-awareness by practicing humility. Build a robust work ethic. A strong work ethic is a must for reaching your objectives and reaching your full potential. Begin by establishing high expectations for yourself and making a consistent effort to meet them. This dedication improves your work and makes you feel proud of what you've accomplished. Accept challenges as chances to show off your work ethic. Overcoming obstacles head-on can demonstrate your tenacity and resolve. Rather than running from difficult assignments, see them as opportunities to learn and develop. It is imperative that you maintain discipline and goal focus during this journey. Make a well-organized plan that specifies your actions and holds you responsible. Having a strong work ethic not only improves your abilities and skills, but also motivates people around you to work hard and pursue their own goals. Set an example for others to follow. Putting the tenets of Stoicism into practice is a potent way to motivate people around you. Begin by exhibiting Stoic virtues in your day-to-day interactions, like showing compassion, tolerance, and understanding. Your actions can act as a live example of how to handle difficulties with poise and dignity. Motivate people by your behavior and attitude. When you face challenges head-on and with composure, you inspire others to follow suit. By candidly sharing your experiences and the lessons you've learned along the way, you can set an example for personal development and resilience. Setting a good example for others inspires them to adopt these age-old values in their own lives, strengthening your own adherence to Stoicism in the process. In summary, we looked at 11 effective Stoic methods in this video that can improve your life and promote personal development. The significance of daily introspection, embracing discomfort, placing an emphasis on inner peace, practicing gratitude, seeking wisdom over approval, accepting impermanence, remaining grounded in reality, acting consistently, building patience, exercising humility, and forming a strong work ethic were all matters of discussion. Every one of these methods provides insightful information that can support you in overcoming obstacles in life with fortitude and clarity. I urge you to incorporate these practices into your everyday routine and observe the beneficial effects they have. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who could benefit from these Stoic ideas if you found this content to be helpful. Let's set out on a path of personal development and exploration together.